Hi guys, Ron. Tech tips, tech stuff. How's it going? Guys, I want to update you on something here. Today is going to be Tuesday. Actually, it's Sunday right now, but you'll see this on Tuesday. New videos are Tuesday and Fridays at 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, I think. These times just mess me up. Anyways, in an earlier video, I told you I'm going to be continue doing Vegas Pro tutorials, mainly because I love the program so much. This computer behind me still has 8 gigabytes of RAM, runs Vegas Pro 18, no problem at all. I've only had one crash in about 2-3 months in it. One crash, that's it. It's very, very stable. But saying that I'm doing Vegas Pro tutorials only does not mean every video is going to be a Vegas Pro tutorial. The channel can't survive on Vegas Pro alone. My channel is called Tech Tips, Tech Stuff. So it's going to be everything technology related. So just wanted to let you know that if you get disappointed you're seeing videos that are not meant for Vegas Pro, or you know what I mean, you're not seeing Vegas Pro tutorials. But you will see them, hopefully at least once a week, a Vegas Pro tutorial, if I can do them. So what I need from you is I need ideas. I need some ideas. What do you want to see with Vegas Pro? Because I'm running out of ideas. For other projects, technology projects, I have lots and lots of ideas that I want to do. But Vegas Pro only does not pay the bills. And I don't make a lot of money on YouTube to begin with. So what I need from you is please in the comment section below, write down what you want to see for a tutorial. Because I think I have 601 videos on this channel. There's so many old Vegas Pro tutorials out there. The other one coming out today, Tuesday, will be for a prototype titler. That's a feature in Vegas Pro. They made it a depreciated asset or a depreciated feature in Vegas 17 and 18. I guess maybe not many people are using it anymore, but it's a very, very powerful tool for doing real cool text effects. So guys, just need your help here on. Give me some ideas on what you want to see for tutorials. And so basically that's it. So you will see product reviews, because on almost every product review I've done, I've sold something on my Amazon affiliate site. So that's extra income the channel needs. And the channel needs that extra income to continue. Because my internet bill is like $120 a month just for internet alone. And what I'm making on YouTube, I think I'm making about $150 a month on YouTube. So I got $30 left over, because all it's gone to my internet fees. So I'm not complaining, guys. I'm just saying I need some help from you guys on what you want to see. So I hope you're having a good day. Take care, and we'll see you soon.